Hello, my name is Daniela Avila. Today I want to share an anecdote about a work experience that happened before this year. It was a situation that taught me important lesson about responsibility and teamwork. Before this year, I worked in an office. Every day I answered calls, replied to emails, and organized documents. My routine was usually very busy, but I enjoyed helping people and working with my team. One day, something unexpected happened. A client arrived very angry because he saw we made a mistake in his documents. At first, the situation felt stressful. However, my coworker and I stayed calm and listened carefully. After that, we reviewed the documents together. Then we explained the situation clearly to the client. Fortunately, he understood the problem and apologized. Finally, we solved the situation. This experience taught me important lessons. First, communication is very important at work. Second, teamwork helps solve problems fast. Finally, patience is necessary when working with people. Thank you, teacher.